If you've got a crazy idea in your head for a business that you want to bring to life, you're probably wondering, how do I get enough investment for that idea so I can quit my job and build the product and focus on it? And one saying I've fallen in love with, and many other people I've said it to have loved as well, is if you ask for investment, you get advice. And if you ask for advice, you get investment. Really, really cool saying, and works every time. The notion here is that if you just go to someone with an idea on a napkin and you ask them for investment, they're just like, whoa, 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 slow down. What's the idea? Who are you? Like, it's too early in the process to just hit someone up front and go for that right hook asking for money when they probably don't have their head across the opportunity, and they might not even know you that well at that point. So the whole concept here is, the biggest mistake entrepreneurs make in this capital raising journey in the early days is just not enough people know about the investment opportunity. How can you get investment when no one actually knows what you're doing? So the key thing is to bring people on the journey, and you don't hit them up for investment. That can come months from now. As you're validating the idea and testing it and figuring things out, just be vulnerable and bring people on the journey and include them in it. And at every stage of the process, always say, if you have any advice or feedback about what I'm doing, I'm all ears, let me in. And what happens there is that these people around you in your networks and potential investors, they feel included in your journey. They feel like they're part of the journey and they're there with you figuring things out. And they feel heard, which gives them a much higher chance of investing later on when you do open up the doors for investment, because it's not a surprise to them. So tell more people, don't keep it a secret, bring people on the journey, ask them for feedback and advice, and do that over a number of months as you validate and test and prove up your idea, and then the magic happens. They will then come and ask you, well, do you need any investment? And that's worked every time. For everyone that we've told that and they've actually executed it, it's worked every single time. So I hope that helps.